Wow. I know the Asian too. Hey. Hey. This way. Let's go. Let's walk together. Jesus, hey. That's the touch me, Jesus.
Alright, as you can see, we are currently at Ogbunike Caves in Anambra State. This cave is a place that many people talk about, okay? We heard different kind of stories, how the indigenes of this place used it as a shelter during the war, how there are many bats there are waters, there are snakes, there are crocodiles. Anyway, we are here finally, and we'll be doing an in-depth tour of the cave, so I'll be able to show you everything that goes on in the cave. Stay with me, guys, as we go on this adventure.
Ogbunike Cave with 115 steps or 116 steps.
I usually hear different figures for the number of steps here, so today I'll count it myself.
Any ID going down, just
I'll
go down.
tell you the actual number. Let's go.
Going down is not a problem, but coming up, and that's when you can actually count, because your mind go there.
Alright, so this is the entrance and this is the stairs. Let's begin. Ogbunike Cave is located in a valley with tropical rainforest behind the Oba Hills in Ogbunike, Anambra State. It was discovered by a hunter named Okwa in the 14th century. The cave is regarded as a sacred place and people often come there for prayers and others offering oblation. During the Nigerian Civil War, the cave was a place of refuge and shelter for the people. In 2007, the cave became a UNESCO World Heritage Site. So we just got down to the mouth of the cave over there, and we are mandated to remove our slippers here. We go in barefooted. Maybe the place is regarded holy. Sacred ground. Okay, thank you for the correction. So this is the entrance of the cave.
That celebrity I saw. If I guess I did a video. What the hell? Okay,
Into cave parlor, first parlor, second parlor, cave tour gate, cave temple, cave mountain. So let's go.
Roundabout.
Roundabout. Here now is cave roundabout.
Okay, can I put the guy roundabout before I pass?
Roundabout. I am going to very down. I'm not Ali Merwaro. So may we enter the first tunnel in the cave. Let's go. So let's go.
This is the natural healing water, and they say that the water is drinkable.
Let's go.
Joy, are you coming?
Yeah.
Okay.
Jacob, which you touch?
Yes.
So we have a lot of bats inside the cave.
Ancient cave. Wonders of nature. During the Biafran war, I hear people come hide.
During the Biafra one, I hear people can't hide. They took shelter here.
Here now is first parlor in the cave.
Okay.
First parlor. Wonders of nature.
So you can see the bats that people talk about. There are thousands of bats here.
Yes.
Be careful here.
People are looking around.
Ever can add Igodo.
Okay.
Okay.
Wow.
I know the Asian too. Hey. This way. Let's go. Let's walk together.
Oh yeah.
Healing water.
You can see how the water is.
So this place is bat dining. What do they do here?
They eat.
Okay.
All these crickets, all these flies.
Okay, this is where the bats eat.
Yeah.
It's called bat dining.
Bat dining. Dining, right? You want more cow?
Wow.
This way.
This way.
Yeah, that way. And the master. I tell you. Yeah, now is second parlor in the cave.
So this is the second panel in the cave.
See where bats full everywhere in the second parlor.
These bats can hit you. But anyway, I don't think they are harmful.
In the cave. It's not harmful.
Okay, the bats are not
But
harmful.
if you want touch and now, it go bite you.
Okay,
You met what I got. Second palo.
So this place is called the second palo.
Pakaiga temple.
All right, so we are going into the temple.
Jesus, hey, that's the touch me, Jesus.
All right, come closer.
Deep prayer small. If white sand.
So,
deep.
You dip this sand, you dig out this white sand.
Yes.
Okay.
So this is holy sand that you can keep in your house according to the tour guide.
Yes.
So I go jacket.
The sand repels bad and evil spirits.
Okay.
Inside the cave temple.
All right.
Temple.
Okay, this is the
This
end.
is the end now.
There's no road out from here.
Let's go another side.
One neighbor got him.
So we are going to the cave passage. So this is the cave passage. This is another healing water. You can use it to wash your face and all. So I'm washing off my hand now. You can see that the water is clean.
Do not abuse the water.
The water is also drinkable according to the tour guide.
Yes, cave passage.
So this is the cave passage.
All
right.
Python park.
If you want to see Python session, ancient tortoise, crocodile,
Yes.
now inside here.
Okay.
But this one now, I'm not body. If you want to go this side, you prepare well, change cloth. You carry cloth, come. This one na crop.
So if you enter there, you crawl until you get to ancient tortoise and python section.
2 hours.
But we are not going there because we are not prepared for that.
Python is there.
We are not going.
Even TB, even. Don't worry, here for this.
We're outside. We climbed this place.
Tiger Mountain.
Tiger Mountain.
Yes.
We never go Python.
Mountain. Let's go. So the cave mountain.
Now you know.
No something. Mountain is sleeping.
Be careful, so don't fall. It's very steep.
Follow Jonas Chigos here on YouTube. You watch this video.
Let's go. Let's go to the mountain.
Wow. This mountain is quite interesting. We just came out from the cave mountain.
I'll grab the last person.
Yeah.
Okay.
Oh.
Off your thoughts.
A video to me.
Yeah. Follow Jonas Chigos here on YouTube. I've got you.
So the first place we came out from was down there. It's not getting.
Ancient holy rock where people used to pray.
Okay.
As you can see the candle. If you just put your candle, kneel down and pray to your God. Okay. They dig every day. Not be so ideal before. The stone was very small. Expand.
Is this where the stone was found, or they brought it to this place?
They just from up the road, come here, come store.
Okay.
Ancient holy rock. There is power in the cave.
Alright guys, so the next place we are going to is the river. Where we have hot and cold river mixed together.
I think Oba River is the name.
Oh, what?
This changed. This tree was not here.
Maybe I can something.
So we have a river flowing out from the cave here. The river from the cave meets the Inkisa River at this point. The river from the cave is clear and warm, while the Inkisa River is dark and cool.
This is the street to go.
So he's trying to get the actual number of the steps. 316. Correct. That is what I counted as well.
316 steps.
It's not easy. So this is like a relaxation spot where you can sit down and chill. Okay guys, we just came out from the cave and the experience was quite amazing. It was exhausting as well because you have to climb, you have to crawl, you have to pass through so many tunnels inside the cave, but I enjoyed the experience and I believe you enjoyed watching the video too. Please don't forget to click the like button and smash that subscribe button for me, okay? So you don't miss out whenever I post again.